What is NSO trading? Non-standardized option is a derivative of Aofex digital asset exchange. Investors could buy the rise and fall of future options for different types of cryptos. When the results are inclined to the purchase, investors will be able to get a return on the investment at a corresponding yield. What are the advantages of NSO trading? Advantages of non-standardized option include a wide variety of methods in transaction and multiplicity in potential risks. Investors will know the exact direction and amount they might receive, so that the transactions are implemented under limited and controllable risks. The prices of digital currencies are the weighted average of the price by 4 highest volume digital currency exchanges. Trading data is secured and bound to each other using cryptographic principles. For impartiality, the results reflect the market, which cannot be manipulated or tampered by anyone. How to trade in NSO? For instance, let's trade the option of Bitcoin will rise in the next 30 minutes. Firstly, we log into Aofex Digital Asset Exchange. Click on NSO. After entering the section, select 30-minute option with the trading pair of Bitcoin and Tether USD, which means how many Tether USDs could trade for 1 Bitcoin. Secondly, buyers could choose the option of rise and set the amount of purchase. The number below up indicates the current yield. Lastly is the step of waiting for delivery. If the actual results match the buying option, buyers will get a corresponding return. NSO trading is exclusively on Aofex Digital Asset Exchange, which not only holds option trading of non-linear profit and loss structure of risk management advantages in the traditional financial market, but also combines the non-tampering characteristics of digital currency in blockchain, which provides professional risk management strategy in the high-risk market with comprehensive service for all investors. Sign up and experience NSO now.